Today I'm going to talk about a very important aspect which is very useful on eBay, that is maintain low risk listings. There are some steps which are very important to achieve this target. First one is unbranded. Always list the products which are unbranded because of you are beginner. You have to adopt all those ways which save you from different eBay restrictions as well as suspension. So the second one is copyrighted. You always list the copyrighted products because of this thing, this fact saves you from restrictions. And the third one is vero items. Vero item means you should always list the verified items which always boost, promote by eBay as well as. The third one is low cost products. Low cost products will also get boost and you will get maximum benefits by it. And the last one is generic items, not so much specific. Generic items in the very beginning. This thing also will give you a huge benefits in the upcoming future. Thank you.